Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. So today we are going to be painting those vases. I don't know if they are vases or art pieces or whatever. And they're the ones I got from Kirkland's about 15 years ago, so a long time. And at first I was going to do them black, but decided to go for white so I can use them during Christmas. I can always paint them black if I want to later, but I am going to start by painting them white. And then I'm just going to hang either some decoration or something on the neck area. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover paint and primer because we do have so many dark colors. I'm sure it's going to be 2-3 coats. And I'm just gonna play it by ear, go easy, and get it done. I'm just popping on to mention that this video is also part of Make It New Challenge. This challenge is hosted by Yesenia from Be Thrifty 2 and Anna from DIYs and Crafts with Anna. I will link both ladies' channels down below. Please take a look. Both are amazing creators. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so I will be making this for my vases. I have one of the vases right here. It's kind of huge, and you hear the rocks in there. And so basically, this is how I want it to be. But I did one to kind of practice and see how I wanted it. So we're gonna get going with this. I got a piece of nautical rope, and this is from the Dollar Tree. And let me see how many inches this is. 28 inches. And I'm gonna turn this around so I can kind of approximate how long I want this to be. And I just have some floral wire, and all I want is just to tie it in that spot. Let's move on to this part. I'm going to take the longer one and put it straight. And then what I did was to make the triple right here is I'm just measuring how high up I'm going, and I'm just taking this, twisting it over, just one twist, and there you go. I have my 3 strings. Nice and tight. Now for these little berries, I'll throw a video up here. I did a 4th of July haul. I got all of these things at 90% off. This was $11.99, and I got 90% off of that. And the cool thing about this this one is it has these dark berries that I would like to use, and they're separate. They're not mixed in like some of my other 4th of July berries. So I took 1 strand of the ivory and 2 strands of the red. So that's one thing. And then I also got this garland. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a piece of this red and white checkered. And I'm going to get a piece of the burlap. I'm going to keep this in half. And also the burlap. Just cleaning up a little bit. And the burlap, that's my bow. So first I'm going to do the little tails how I want them. And since this looks like that would be the front, since these are overlapping on top. Okay, and let's just see here, about there. So I have my burlap bow, and then I'm grabbing my fabric. At this point, I'm just grabbing my little pine or Christmas tree branch or whatever you want to call it, and I'm tying it in the back. Now the branches, I'm just going to be shoving them underneath here, and I'm putting them right behind the bow. There's 2, and I'm going to be doing the same thing Just putting them straight into the bow. There's the second one. This one's a little longer. Just twist it in the back the other way. And another red one coming from this way. And this one's a little shorter, so we're just going to just pinch it in there. It'll hold. See? That's it. Now just straighten up the ribbon. I'm going to grab my little nautical rope and I'm going to just push this right over the rope. Okay, you guys, what do you think? And it's all done. Just love the way this turned out. How adorable. Well, what did you guys think? I know the DIY was super simple, but let me tell you, it made a huge impact and a difference in my living room. I absolutely love the transformation. It's my first piece in, or actually pieces in my country Christmas, so that's very exciting for me too. I hope you guys like them. Also, please take a look at the playlist in the description box where you can see other participants in this challenge. And of course, the host and co-host for this challenge are going to be in the description box so you guys can check out their channels and subscribe. With that being said, thank you so much for stopping by. If you love DIYs from the Dollar Tree, Trash to Treasure DIYs, hauls from the Dollar Tree, this might be the channel you might want to check out. So please subscribe, hit the bell and the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a beautiful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.